Hi, Assalamu alaikum, and I'm so happy to see all of you. And this shows that dream do comes into reality. I remember myself 10 years back when I joined CEO Club Pakistan Ijaz Sahab every year. Let's count the women in power so that we can make a coffee table book, Nazia. 2016, no. 17, no. 18, no. 19, no. I remember in 2020, we had 4 entries of women CEOs, including Fatma Asad said, and we were like so happy. Okay, finally, we are having 4 women in power. And finally, Ijaz Sahab, see now, today, this year, when we made the list, Ijaz Sahab said, Nazia, this is the time to make that coffee table book. Because we are having so many women across Pakistan in Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad. Even we do have got entries from Singapore and London as well, and Switzerland as well. So that means now we can do that coffee table book, which definitely is quite a small feat within us. All right, so let's come. I would like to start my thank you note from Zafar Masood Saab. Zafar Saab, when we uploaded your banner, our DMs were loaded. क्यों एक मर्द को आप वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर बुलवा रहे हैं? Then everywhere I quoted that there is no concept of empowered women without us supporting men, and my all women CEOs will be vouching me for that. And then I remember then there was this girl who spoke so much about it, and I quoted your quote that it's impossible to uplift women without equality and equity. I was so happy for the equity part क्योंकि भाई आपको पता है without financial inclusion there is no growth. And I also remember you speaking at State Bank event that the Pakistan GDP can grow up to 33% if we are removing this gender gap. So that's why Zafar Masood is here. Now, please don't mind, I will be taking a minute because I'm so happy to have 2 amazing women here. Fatma Asad said, I'll start off with. Just imagine 25 years back when the girls were not allowed for so many things and she was into the tech career and she started it. I remember so many friends of mine working with Abacus and coming back, Fatma aise bolti hai, Fatma aise karti hai. And same goes for Sadaf Abid as well, and I'll be coming back to you. And now after this, Fatma is on board with Cecil Bank, with Bata, with Interloop, with Lums, and I hope I'm skipping few. Thank you, Fatma, for laying this path for us. A big round of applause for Fatma. And Sadaf, I can't tell you how happy I was when you said that you are coming over. My sister worked with Sadaf, I don't know how many years, 15, 17 years back in Kashaf. And she also used to come back. That's how Sadaf behaves. And you know what? Sadaf's work have been appreciated by Forbes, her work is published in international publications, and she transformed her career from microfinance into uplifting women. Seriously, Sadaf, आपने इतना बड़ा काम कर दिया उन सारी औरतों के लिए जिनको आप जानती भी नहीं है. So a big round of applause for. And I would love to move to Mahe Zahra, and with she herself is like a mentor to so many IT girls otherwise. And by the way, she is a mathematician, she's an IT expert, she's a data analyst, and she is a great artist too. I remember meeting Mahe 3 or 4 years back, and she told me, Nazia, colors can sort your life out. मैंने कहा कैसे होगा यार? And seriously, Mahe, that was such an uplift in my life, and I'm able to do so much more because of your recommendation. She is also running a company, a IT software company by the name 5 River Technology. So a big round of applause. See, there are so many girls in tech now. I would like to mention Binish Kayani then. You know what? She is also running a 200 employee company in Islamabad along with her husband. But where is the catch, guy? She is a cancer patient too. And I remember her husband telling me, जो मर्जी हो जाए वो अपनी कमिटमेंट पे पूरी होती है. जो मर्जी हो जाए वो अपनी emails का रिप्लाई करती है, and she is the one responsible for the clienteles in US. So a big round of applause for Binish. And imagine a girl, 20 years back, a young girl divorced from a very, sorry Asma, but from a very conservative, well-known family, but जहाँ पे औरत काम करेगी. And imagine that the girl is running one of the catering company of Pakistan, Crave the Caterer by Asma. I hope I'm not skipping anyone, कहीं जल्दी में कुछ रह ना जाए. But I so want to mention, I'm mentioning Sam in the last because everybody knows Sam Dada. So a big round of applause for Sam Dada as well, who is known for uplifting all the women across. चलें जी, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम मैंने ले लिया, बट एक छोटी सी बात ज़फ़र साहब, हम आज बात ये नहीं करने आए कि औरत को एजुकेशन की इजाज़त है, औरत गोल रोटी बनाती है, नहीं. आई सो वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट मिसोजिनी, ऑल ऑफ यू. वाई के ऑन डेजिग्नेशंस, ऑन इक्वल पे अपॉर्चुनिटी, बंदा है ज़्यादा एरिया दे दो, मर्द है ट्रैवल कर लेगा, प्रेशर संभाल लेगा, बड़ा डोमेन नहीं कर सकता, एंड इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द कॉम्पिटेंस, औरत इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड. आई सो वॉन्ट टू टॉक about the gender pay gap and the gender pay gap otherwise. I so want to talk about, I am having this book by the Cheryl, who was the COO for Facebook, and she said कि जब औरतें काम करती हैं ना, तो उनको ये बताया जाता है अगर काम अच्छा करोगी तो घर अच्छा नहीं संभालोगी, घर अच्छा संभालोगी तो काम अच्छा नहीं करोगी. So she is all the time judged on the basis of her work-life balance. Also, if she network and she is too good, she is well dressed and she is too well dressed. If she is too good in talking to people, oh no, hush hush. If she is underdressed, then she is underdressed. So on networking opportunities, even women are judged on national level and on international level. Then I also want to talk about bias in decision making. यार बंदे बंदे डिसाइड कर लेंगे, जायदाद में हिस्सा देना हो, कंपनी में डेजिग्नेशन देना हो, कुछ भी करना हो, then it's the people do tend to favor more towards the male thing. That's what do I think. Let's talk about the real issues, and I would love to hear from all of you that what you women have to say about all this. Thank you so much.